Hi, you're welcome to today's JAM prep class. We're looking at 1981 physics question under resolution of vector number 21. A body of mass 5 kg initially at rest, that's 0 there, is acted upon by two mutual perpendicular forces, 12 Newton, 15 Newton, we got that. As shown below, if the particle moves in direction of O is to A, as shown below, calculate the magnitude of the acceleration. We need to understand that force is equals to mass times acceleration. And actually we are looking for the acceleration. And if you are conversant with the resolution of vector, you will know that we use the coordinate system often to solve that. So here we have that force moving 5 Newton over here, 5 Newton, and then it moves over here, 12 Newton. Now, to find the missing side of this triangle, that is the resultant force. The resultant force is the missing side of this triangle, which is definitely going to be the Fx raised to the power of 2, Fx forces raised to the power of 2, and Fy forces raised to the power of 2. Because you know that this is your x direction and this is your y direction. All right, having said that, what we need to do is to plug in what we have. So we have Fr over there. Then we have that one of Fx is 5 raised to the power of 2 and Fy is 12 raised to the power of 2. If you do that in your calculator, you arrive in your final answer. So we have the squares of 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 12 raised to the power of 2, that is 13. So I have 13 Newton. And if you use Pythagoras theorem that says c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared, you will get the same thing, so that c will be equals to all squares of the a value here. And the a value here is 12 raised to the power of 2. And the b value here is 5 raised to the power of 2. If you do the same thing, you will get 13 Newton. So we don't have problem with that. So we have 13 Newton divided by times this is equals to the mass. Is equals to the mass. The mass is 5 kg times by A. Now what I'm going to be having is 13 Newton is equals to 5A. So I'm dividing by 5. I'm dividing by 5. My A will certainly come out, which is the acceleration. So let's divide by 5. Okay? 13 divided by 5. That's give me 2.6. So I have 2.6 meter per seconds per second. Acceleration is 2.6 meter per seconds per second. Which of the answer is that? Which is option number B. Thank you very much for watching.